Hello students, today we are going to look at Merchant of Venice Act 2 Scene 5. First of all, we have to look into the historical events. One is Black Monday, and Black Monday is actually the Easter Monday after Easter Sunday. And it is said that on April 14, 1360, Edward III was near Paris, and he was, along with his army, he was moving when, due to the extreme cold atmosphere, his men and horses began to die. And nearly all of them had died. So that is why the Easter Monday after Easter Sunday is considered to be an inauspicious day in the memory of this incident that happened. Then Ash Wednesday. Ash Wednesday is actually the first day of the Lent. It is 40 days before Easter, and it depends on the Easter day, then only Ash Wednesday is celebrated 40 days before. On this day, people put ashes on their forehead, in order to remind themselves that they are made up of dust, and one day when they will die, they would be merged into the dust stone. Now comes Hagar's offspring. Hagar, she was actually the maid servant to Abraham's wife Sarah, but then she became the second wife of Abraham, and her son was Ishmael. God had ordered Abraham to send Hagar and her son Ishmael away from his house into the wilderness. Abraham was not willing to leave his son Ishmael, but had to obey the orders of God, so he sent both of them into the wilderness. Since then, this Ishmael was considered to be an outcast. And here in this scene, Shylock will call Lancelot as an outcast by calling him Hagar's offspring. Because this Lancelot is going to leave the job of Shylock. So Lancelot is being called Hagar's offspring in this scene, Act 2, Scene 5 by Shylock. So these were the mythologies. Now let's look into the scene. Act 2, Scene 5. Enter Shylock and his man. That was a clown. His man was whom? Lancelot. He was the servant of Shylock, and he wanted to leave his job. Now, since he has left his job, but still is here, by bidding him goodbye and asking him to come to supper to Bassanio's house. So Shylock says, well, thou shalt see thy eyes shall be thy judge, the difference of old Shylock and Bassanio. What, Jessica, thou shalt not gormandize, as thou hast done with me. What, Jessica, and sleep and snore and rend apparel out. Why, Jessica, I say. Now Shylock is taunting Lancelot. He says, well, if you want to leave my job, it's okay for me, it doesn't matter. But you yourself will see the difference between Shylock and Bassanio. And you will not be able to eat too much as you used to eat here. You will not be able to snore a lot, sleep a lot. And you will not be tearing off your clothes as you used to do here, as you, by eating too much, had become healthy and the clothes used to be torn off. While speaking these dialogues, he is at the same time calling Jessica in order to come to him, but at the same time he is taunting Lancelot. Lancelot, why Jessica? Lancelot also calls out Jessica. Shylock, who bids thee call? I did not bid thee call. Shylock said, who asked you to call Jessica? I did not order you to call Jessica. Lancelot, your worship was wont to tell me I could do nothing without bidding. So Lancelot says, sir, you used to say me that I did not do anything without your command. So without your command only I am doing this work. I am calling Jessica. So Jessica has come. Jessica, call you. What is your will? Jessica says, Father, you called me. What do you want? Shylock, I am bid for to supper, Jessica. There are my keys. But wherefore should I go? I am not bid for love. They flatter me, but yet I'll go in hate to feed upon the prodigal Christian. Jessica, my girl, look to my house. I am right low to go. There is some ill brewing towards my rest, for I am dream of money bags tonight. So Shylock says, see, I have called you because I have been invited to dinner at Bassanio's house, so I have to go. And these are the keys of the house. But why should I go? They are not calling me out of love. They want to flatter me only. And I hate them a lot. But they are calling me to feed upon that, uh, you can say, pork. And that to that prodigal Christian, Bassanio is calling me because he wants money out of me. Then he says that Jessica, my daughter, please look into the safety of the house. And although I'm unwilling, loath means unwilling, although I'm unwilling to go, but I have to go. And I feel like some conspiracy is going against me because I had a dream that my 2 money bags had been stolen by somebody. Launcelot, beseech you, sir, my young master doth expect your reproach. Launcelot says, sir, I request you that my young master Bassanio is waiting for you to come to dinner. Shylock, so do I his. Shylock says, I am also waiting for him. Then Launcelot, and they have conspired together. I will not say you shall see a mask, but if you do, then it was not for nothing that my nose fell a bleeding on Black Monday last at 6 o'clock in the morning. Falling out that year on Ash Wednesday was 4 year in the afternoon. Now here Lancelot speaks somewhat absurd thing. He says that yes, they have planned something for you. I cannot say whether it is a mass party or not. Maybe you may be able to see a mask party. But if you do see a mask, it is due to the fact that the blood came out from my nose on Black Monday and at 6 o'clock in the morning. And the Easter Monday, which fell last year on Ash Wednesday in the afternoon 4 years ago. This means it is an absurd thing that he was talking about. Shylock, what are these masks? Hear you me, Jessica? Lock up doors, and when you hear the drum and the vile squealing of the wry-necked file, clamber not you up to the casements then. Not thrust your head into the public street to gaze on Christian fools with varnish faces. Let not the sound of shallow foppery enter my sober house. By Jacob's staff, I swear I have no mind of feasting for tonight. But I will go. Go you before me, Sirrah. Say I will come. Now Shylock says, what will be there with the masks? When he says to Jessica that please close all the doors and windows and do not let the drum sound come into the house. Do not hear it. When the people they pass in a procession through the streets, and that too with a long necked fife, they are like giving out a music. Please do not look into that. And do not pop your head outside of the windows in order to see that show. Because many people would be passing by with their painted faces. So instead, close all the windows and the doors and do not let any sound come into my house. Then he says by Jacob's staff. What is Jacob's staff? It was a stick that Jacob had in his hand, due to which he could cross the Jordan River with the help of that stick, although it was a very long river. Then he says that, well, I have no desire to go to feast tonight, but I will go because they have called me. Then Sirrah means servant. He asked Lancelot that you go before me. I am coming there. You give my message to them that I am coming. Lancelot, I will go before, sir. Mistress, look out at window for all this. There will come a Christian by, will be worth a Jewish eye. Lancelot then slowly speaks into the ear of Jessica, saying that Mistress, please be careful. One of those painted faces will be of your lover, that Christian who is worth of your love, and who will be coming only for you, the Jewish lady. Then he goes away. Shylock, what says that fool of Hagar's offspring? Has his words were farewell, mistress, nothing else. Shylock says, what did that Hagar offspring tell you? Hagar, I have told you now in the mythology. Then Jessica says, nothing, he just bid me goodbye. Shylock, the patch is kind enough, but a huge feeder, snail slow in profit, and he sleeps by day. More than the wild cat, drones hive not with me. Therefore I part with him, and part with him to one, that I would have him help to waste his borrowed purse. Well, Jessica, go in, perhaps I will return immediately. Do as I bid, you shut doors after you fast find. A proverb never stale in thrifty mind. Exit. Now Shylock says this patch. Patch means a person who looks like a clown because he used to wear absurd type of clothes, having colorful type of clothes. So he says that this fool is kind enough, but he eats a lot. And he is very slow as a snail in every work. Plus, he is more than a wild cat that he sleeps in the afternoon and keeps on sleeping all the time in the afternoon. So I do not want drones to live with me. Drones are, in honeybees, there are three categories: worker, drone, and queen. The workers and the queen, they work hard, but the drones, they are lazy. So he says, I do not want lazy people to stay with me. So it is better that he leaves me, and he is going to such a person. That too, Lancelot is going to such a person who has a borrowed purse. Borrowed purse means because Bassanio is borrowing 3,000 ducats from Shylock. So he says that it would be better that Lancelot goes there and helps to waste that money of Bassanio. Then he says, I will come back quickly. You do as I have told you. Quickly shut the doors as you go in. If you take full care of everything, we shall find those things safe and sound, whatever we have in our house. So this is a proverb that is always fresh in the mind of a Jew person. Jessica, farewell, and if my fortune be not crossed, I have a father, you a daughter lost. Jessica, then when he leaves, Shylock leaves, Jessica says, farewell, my father. If my luck is not unfavorable, I will surely run away from here, and you will have your daughter lost. Then Jessica leaves. This means in this scene we are seeing that Lancelot is leaving the job of Shylock. He has come only to invite him for the dinner party of Bassanio. And Shylock is unwilling to go there because he had a dream that two money bags have been stolen. But still he will go there and try to find out what is happening there. Then he asked Lancelot that he will be able to compare the difference between Shylock and Bassanio. And according to this, I am because of me only you could eat too much, you could sleep a lot, and you always used to tear away your clothes because of being fat. Now you will be seeing the difference between me and Bassanio. And then he asked Jessica to close the doors very tightly and close all the windows so that if the procession of the Christians pass by with their painted faces and they are, you can say, blowing the fife along, you can say, musical instrument, so let not that sound enter into my house and do not climb up to the windows to see them. But before going, Lancelot asked Jessica to take care that one of those painted faces will be of the one who takes care of you and who loves you so much and who deserves you. After that, Shylock says, although he is a kind person, Lancelot, but he is a huge feeder, and he is a drone. A drone means doing nothing at all. And if he is doing anything, to he is as slow as a snail. So it's better that he goes to a person who has taken up borrowed money from me, and this Lancelot will help him to waste that money. So this way, this story has finished, and after Shylock has left the scene, Jessica says, "If my luck favors me, you will lose your daughter, and I will lose my father." Because as already Jessica and this Lorenzo have planned to elope during the dinner party. So hope you have understood this scene. If you have understood, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.